guys, look what we have. We got a little cutie. The gorgeous one. Right, we got us a fur baby. Alright, I have an apricot here. He is a dark apricot. And this is the brother. The brother is a light apricot. The difference is only the shade, the two color shade. This is dark and this is light, but the ears is so cute. It's a dark ears. Both of them has black nose, and they just turned 10 weeks old. Isn't that adorable? Look at, if you wake up all these two cuties, all your fur babies, life is better with a dog. Right, right. So which one you want? The dark one? It's like a tan color. Or you want the blonde you want? They're both cutie. Thank you.